we move to the graph of a cubic expression or a cubic polynomial. So what is a cubic expression? अच्छा चलिए इससे पहले let us say if you are being asked to draw a graph on quadratic equation, so let's take that possibility also. Let us say we are given a quadratic equation such as x squared minus 4. Yes, can we have that? Yes, the answer is yes, because for quadratic equation the only requirement is that the coefficient of x square that should not be equal to 0. Yes, so it is again a quadratic equation. इसको हम y से इक्वेट करते हैं. अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे? I'll assign the values of x. So let us say if I take value of x as 1, so 1 square is 1, 1 minus 4, this is x and this is y. We'll take the different values here. 1, so y will be minus 3. Let us say अगर हम x को 2 ले लेते हैं, so 2 square 4, 4 minus 4, so y is equal to 0. Same way, let's take another value 3. 9 minus 4 we get 5. Let's take some negative values. Let us say I take x as minus 1. So minus 1 square 1, 1 minus 4, we again get the answer as minus 3. Let's take minus 2 as another value. So minus 2 square, that is 4, and 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. अगर मान लीजिए गॉड फॉरबिड, अगर मान लो कोई क्वेश्चन आ जाता है एग्जाम में जहाँ पे अगर आपको ग्राफ ड्रॉ करने की नौबत आ जाती है, तो सिर्फ आपको समझाने के लिए मैंने ड्रॉ किया है एक पर्टिकुलर चार्ट जिसमें वी विल टेक ऑन आवर ओन द डिफरेंट वैल्यूज ऑफ x और उसके अकॉर्डिंगली वी विल फाइंड आउट द करस्पॉन्डिंग वैल्यूज ऑफ y. अब क्योंकि यहाँ पे हम लोग कर्व ड्रॉ करने वाले हैं, बिकॉज वी नो दैट द ग्राफ ऑफ द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इज अ कर्व, तो इसलिए हमें यहाँ पे वी नीड टू टेक द मल्टीपल पॉइंट्स. आप जितने ज़्यादा पॉइंट्स लेंगे उतना आपका जो कर्व होगा वो ज़्यादा यू कैन से एक्यूरेट बनेगा एंड इट विल बी मोर क्लोजर यू कैन से टू द गिवन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. तो आइडियली इफ यू कैन टेक 6 or 7 points, so that is more than sufficient to draw a particular graph. तो हम चाहें तो यहाँ पे कुछ और वैल्यूज दे सकते हैं. लेट अस से टेक minus 3 देन, so minus 3 that is 9 minus 4 we get 5. एक वैल्यू 0 ले लेते हैं, तो अगर x को 0 लेंगे तो we get y is equal to minus 4. आगे आपको ग्राफ ड्रॉ करने आते हैं because that you have already learned in your previous classes also how to plot these particular points. तो इस तरह से मेरे पास यहाँ पे we have in total 7 points are there. First is 1 minus 3, then 2 0 3 5 minus 1 minus 3. ऐसे आप 7 points को आप ड्रॉ करेंगे on x and y axis और उनको आपने फ्री हैंड ज्वाइन करके and you will draw the graph of y is equal to x square minus 4. तो आप यहाँ पे रियलाइज करेंगे कि y की वैल्यू 0 कहाँ पे आ रही है, where x is equal to 2. So this is the first 0 of the quadratic equation. और आपको जो दूसरा वाला जो मिलेगा वो यहाँ पे मिलेगा minus 2 and 0. You can check it yourself. जैसे आप यहाँ पे 2 पुट करते हैं, this become 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. And this we already know by definition कि what is the 0 of a polynomial. The zeros of the polynomial is that particular value of x which will make the value of the expression as 0. So that is why we are going to have two zeros of this expression. One is 2 and second is minus 2. Okay, so now it's a turn to move on to a cubic polynomial. अब जो cubic polynomial जो होंगे उसकी डिग्री क्या होगी? 3. So let's write down the cubic polynomial as px is equal to, let's write down 9x cube minus 6x square plus 2x minus 5, or this we replace px by y. लॉजिक्स वही है जो अभी हमने डिस्कस किए थे पुराने ग्राफ्स के अंदर. इसको ड्रॉ करेंगे, सेम प्रोसेस है. वी विल टेक द डिफरेंट वैल्यूज ऑफ x, फाइंड आउट द करस्पॉन्डिंग वैल्यूज ऑफ y. ठीक है. अगेन जो आपका क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल का जो डायग्राम होगा, अगेन दैट इज गोइंग टू बी अ कर्व which can be something you can say like n shape, or this may go in this particular direction, a kind of the S shape. जैसे आपने वो स्नेल देखे होंगे चलते हुए, earthworms during the rainy season. So it can take you can say the shape of any type depending upon ki what are the corresponding values of x and y. ऐसे ही जैसे मैंने आपको पिछले एग्जाम्पल से बताया था, आपको क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल की कर्व्स दे रखे होंगे एग्जाम में ड्रॉ करके, और उससे आपको फाइंड आउट करना होगा दैट हाउ मेनी जीरोज आर देयर एंड हाउ मेनी ऑफ देम आर पॉजिटिव एंड हाउ मेनी ऑफ देम आर नेगेटिव. एक चीज़ पहले यहाँ क्लियर कर लेते हैं. इट इज़ अ क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल, इट मीन्स द डिग्री ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल इज 3. इसका मतलब इसके जो मैक्सिमम जीरोज होंगे दैट विल बी 3. तो मैक्सिमम जीरोज क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? either there will be no zero, that means 0 0, or it will have only 1 0, 2 0, and maximum it is going to have 3 zeros, right? So now let's move on to the different shapes on the curve of a cubic polynomial. zeros की definition बिल्कुल standard रहने वाली है, चाहे कोई मर्जी polynomial आपको दे रखा हो. ठीक है, उसकी डेफिनेशन क्या रहेगी? उसकी डेफिनेशन रहेगी, आई एम अगेन रिपीटिंग, इट इज द एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट, दिस इज द एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ द पॉइंट्स वेयर द ग्राफ विल intersect with horizontal axis. This is the standard definition on zeros of polynomial. मैं इसको पहले भी लिख चुका हूँ कई बार. This is the standard definition that you should learn, that you should remember. It is the x coordinate of the points, यानी कि जिस पॉइंट पे ग्राफ इंटरसेक्ट होता है हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस से, उस पॉइंट का जो x कोऑर्डिनेट है that is basically the zero of that particular curve or that particular expression. So this is the definition on the zeros of the polynomial when we try to find out with the help of the graph. Now I will draw the different shapes of the cubic polynomial. Let's define the axis first. This is x, this is x dash to show the negative side of the x axis. This is y axis, this is y dash to show the negative side of the vertical axis. Now let us say we have a diagram of this particular sort. This is a cubic polynomial but with only one intersection. It is intersecting at only one particular point. तो यानी कि क्या होगा? This is a polynomial which has only one zero, which has only one zero, that is 1. And number 2, since the point of intersection is lying on the negative side, so I would say that its 0 are negative. Its 0 are negative. Yes. Let's take some more combination. Let us say we have the graph going in this particular manner. Yes. This is one point of intersection, this is the second point of intersection. So what we notice now, we have two zeros, and both the zeros are positive. Both the zeros are positive. Let us say if this diagram would have been in this particular manner. This is first diagram, this is second diagram, this is the third one. So what you notice that it is not even closer to horizontal axis. It is not touching x-axis anywhere. So what I would say that in this particular graph there is no zero. There is no zero. So we have taken the examples 1 0, no zero, and we have two zeros. Let's take few more possibilities now. This is y and this is y dash. This is another polynomial that we have drawn.
Excuse me, ma'am.
More like a N shape. So this is first point, this is second point, and this is third point. So this is another polynomial I have drawn, which has three different points of intersection. So we can say that this cubic polynomial, it has three zeros, where two zeros are not positive, two zeros are negative, because they are lying on the negative side of the x-axis, and 1 0 is positive. 1 0 is positive. So I think these curves, this diagram should give you the suitable idea as to how to determine just by looking from the picture that how many zeros are there, 1, and how many of them are positive and how many of them are negative. So that completes my discussion on how to determine the zeros of the polynomial with the help of the graph or in a geometrical manner, right? So in the next presentation we'll discuss the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient of the polynomial, right? So till then I just want all of you just to be thorough with this particular curves, try to practice them, and in case you have any doubts, कोई आपको doubts है, कोई point आपको नहीं समझ में आया है, you can please write your queries in the inbox so that I can reach you, I can reply to you immediately. So stay safe and concentrate on your studies. All the best. Thank you.